Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create a landing page in the back office of TCP. TCP is the Conversion Pros and it's a very complete marketing suite. The page you see here is the back office, the home page, and if you want to create a landing page you go to the landing page builder. Inside the builder you go to add and you choose a layout for your page, with videos, without videos. I like this one. Start editing. Today I'll be creating a page for appliance repair, and that is what I will put in this first step. Repair 1, doesn't matter very much. This second page name is for my own reference as much as for anything else. And you go to save lander. That way you have the page and you can change whatever you like. I want to pick a background image and I want to use a texture. There's lots and lots of categories here for you to choose from. I use many different ones, but the textures are very versatile for any use really. I will take this one for now. Yep, that's fine. With this little pencil up here you can change the opacity of your window. And then we go to edit content to change the text in here. And I will say, do you need an appliance repaired? Stop editing. And then you go to the next line and you can change that to maybe we help you out promptly. Now as you see that is a little bit small, so I will change the size of the text, but I also want a different font and I would like to use this one, Baloo, and the size. Alright, I like the color, so that's okay, and I like this text to be a bit bigger as well. Alright, cool. Change the color of the text. Yes, nice. Okay, that's okay. And now I want to insert a video and I go to edit components, and on the right side you see here, this is like a picture you want to put in. This is like a form you want to put in, or another button, but I will take the video from YouTube. And to put in the video you go to edit, and I have my video right here, so I'll copy the link, go back and paste in the link, and modest YouTube branding is on, which is fine. So there you have the video. And then in here I would put the name of the company that the page is for, and the phone number as well. And when you stop editing you can style that a bit. I would like to use impact for that and make the lettering a bit larger. Anyone that will come to this page will come here for appliance repair. They can fill out their details. I'll take this out, I don't need that. and I will change this bit to fill out the form below, and we will contact you within the hour. Okay, style that a bit. That can be impact as well, just a bit larger, and maybe we will make that red also. Okay. This form is a bit much, I think, for asking for a repair. So you go to edit content and you pick the smaller form and save, and then you see that it has full name, email and the phone number. And I would like to change the button to say click here, and that is fine. Stop editing. Connect on social media, I don't think I want that in here, and the social media here, not gonna use that. And then it says right at the bottom, it says we respect your privacy, your personal information will never be shared or sold, which is excellent. So then I save the lander. Your lander has been saved, and when you hit hide menu, you see the page as it will show when people click on your link. This is a very easy way for any appliance repairman to get new customers. Hope that was helpful. The thing with the Conversion Pros is that you can use it for any and all business to promote your product or your service online. To give you a few examples, this is a page for all you ladies out there that promote eyelashes and that sell beautiful makeup. This is a page to recruit moms, and you can see that you can use a video as a background as well. This page is for the people in the crypto space. You can do gorgeous travel pages, weight loss pages. You can make a page for any and all restaurant out there. You can help out people that promote special recipes online, which is pretty cool, I think. This is a page for MMA school to bring in new students. They give away free lessons, and it works really well. This is a really cool page that I used just before Halloween. People like that, and they get curious, and they will leave you their information. This page I made for a dual grooming salon, and even the current customers love to come to this page to fill out the form and to get a call from the groomer. This, of course, is a Santa page, really cool. And this page I did for this event person that sells a lot of balloons. Okay, I hope that helps. Any questions? Let me know, and I will see you in the next